Hey there, coding enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to share something that nobody really talks about when you're learning Python. You see, Python is often recommended as the best language for beginners, but there are a few things you need to know before diving in. First off, let's talk about syntax. Python's syntax is incredibly clean and readable, but don't let that lull you into a false sense of security. You still need to understand the fundamentals of programming logic. Just because you can write a few lines of code doesn't mean you can build complex applications right away. Now let's chat about libraries and frameworks. Python has a rich ecosystem, but it can be overwhelming. Everyone talks about Django, Flask, NumPy, and Pandas, but the real trick is knowing when to use them. You don't need to learn everything at once. Pick one that aligns with your interests or the project you're working on and master it. And then there's the dreaded debugging. Python's error messages are pretty friendly, but you'll still encounter bugs that make no sense. Debugging is an art. Take the time to learn how to use debugging tools and practice tracing your code. Here's another thing. Documentation is your best friend. Python has fantastic documentation, but it can be dense. Don't be afraid to spend time reading through it and understanding the examples provided. It's a skill that will serve you well in the long run. Mentorship and community involvement are often overlooked. Python has a vibrant community, and getting involved can accelerate your learning. Join forums, participate in coding challenges, and don't hesitate to ask for help. Remember, everyone was a beginner once. Last but not least, consistency is key. Learning Python, like any other skill, requires regular practice. Set small, achievable goals and stick to them. Building good habits early on can make a huge difference in your progress. So there you have it. Python is a fantastic language, but it's important to manage your expectations and approach your learning journey with the right mindset. Embrace the challenges, stay curious, and keep coding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more programming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.